a samosa while cooking and while eating. So why do I like samosa? I like samosas because somehow I feel they justify me. I feel they are introvert like me. They're what they show from outside, but the inner part is hidden. No one knows about it. It actually don't want to show it until someone understands it. Only they can understand who actually want to know about it, and when someone understands it, it make it compatible with them. They become a joy to them. They feel blessed around that introvert because they show their love so hard. It makes them their life's part. So these are the symmetry designs and patterns of a samosa. These are the types of samosa makers. This is how the samosas are being served. The first picture shows that they are served with chutneys, the tamarind chutney and the mint or coriander chutney. In other picture, it's showing that it is served with a masala chai. In third picture, the samosa chart is there, in which chickpeas, curd, onion, tamarind chutney, mint chutney are added, and also chaat masala is sprinkled to make it fresh, and it's like a cold kind of dish. I have also researched on the frozen samosas because I eat McCain samosas also, so I thought I should do that. So I'll talk about freezing. Freeze the filled samosas before baking or frying. Just put the whole tray in the freezer until they are solid. Then store in a labeled Ziploc bag for 4 to 6 weeks. To bake or fry, place the frozen pastries on a baking sheet or in a fryer and they'll be ready to eat. Nowadays, pizza filling frozen samosas are also available. McCain are doing this service. They are available in 3 flavors. So these are my final outcomes. I know they are not very good. So this is how people eat a samosa. So some people eat it with a one finger and a thumb. Other eat them with all fingers and the thumb. So this is the political part of the samosas, which happened very closed. When US President Donald Trump was served a broccoli and corn samosa during his 2-day state visit to India, and netizens are concerned. So Mr. Trump really liked the broccoli samosas, but the Indians were really shocked and didn't like that why they are changing the culture and tradition of a samosa by putting broccolis into it. So this is the designing and shape of a samosa when they are in a plate. This is the preparation of a samosa step by step through my visual outcome. This is the autobiography of my samosa. I have made it like a character of samosa. A samosa is talking in this autobiography about himself. Now I'll show you the video of my 3D outcome that I made of a samosa. So this was my presentation and research for my samosa. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.